While planning my weekend, I came across this bike blessing on Instagram in Greensboro, North Carolina at Barber Park. This was something I definitely wanted to participate in, so let the prep work begin. Vixen needed a quick bath, so I pulled her out of the garage to make sure she was clean and ready to ride. I also wanted to be easily identifiable as the channel is starting to grow in subscribers and notoriety. So I decided to put a Preacher's Kid sticker on the side of my helmet. And now it's time to ride. Quick stop at Mickey D's, throw something in the old tank. After a quick food stop, it was time to head to the park. So we rolled up from Charlotte this morning, just stopped at Mickey D's, grabbed a quick bite. Now we headed to this bike blessing in Greensboro, North Carolina. Start this riding season off right. Looking forward to meeting the other bikers from different clubs and some independent riders as well. Hopefully get some great footage and participate. Obviously being a preacher's kid, I lean into and on my faith. So definitely wanted to be able to take part in this event today. So pulling up to arriving at Barber Park in Greensboro, North Carolina. I see some bikes have already arrived. Looking forward to meeting as many people as I can. Talking to, fellowshipping with, breaking bread with. Oh, nice Jeep. Nice bike. Gotta get the Jeep. Gotta show some Jeep love. How you doing? What's up, fellas? Everybody good? Oh yeah, no doubt. Good to see you. You too, man. All right. How y'all doing? Everybody good? All right.
Then it was time to eat.
So my Instagram, YouTube, everything is there. When you go down to YouTube, you just hit subscribe.
Are we on my break?
I was in Daytona. Yes, ma'am. Hey, brother. All right. So I'm only 2 months old on my channel, and just trying to get some subscribers. Just scroll down to the YouTube icon right there and just subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, my email, phone number, everything is there. All right, thank y'all so much. Appreciate it. All right. So my Instagram and everything is there. Just scroll down to the YouTube. Scroll right there and hit subscribe. Thank you so much. And you can also follow me on Instagram. All right, thank you.
Now that the bike blessing was over, we decided to hit Riding High Harley-Davidson in High Point, North Carolina.
Riding High Harley-Davidson in High Point, North Carolina. Got to grab a poker chip or two.
After grabbing a couple of poker chips and a quick bite to eat, it was time to make the hour-and-a-half trip back to Charlotte.
Today has been a good day. Headed back to Charlotte now from Greensboro. Met a lot of people, different motorcycle clubs, independent riders. Was able to spread the word about my channel. Actually ended up at the Riding High Harley-Davidson dealership in High Point. I was able to make contacts with the marketing director and a few of the sales associates. Passed out some Preacher's Kid poker chips. Today was a good day. As of right now, I think the last time I checked, it still had under 230 subscribers, or maybe right under 230 subscribers. So at the end of the day, not a lot by the YouTube standards, but I have more subscribers at the end of today than I did when I woke up this morning. So today is a win for me and a win for the Preacher's Kid Chronicles channel. I gotta say the bike blessing was beautiful. The groups that showed up, the clubs, the independent riders, they showed up from all over. Greensboro, Raleigh, Winston-Salem, Charlotte, Greenville, Durham. They showed up from all over. I even saw some there from Danville, Virginia. So it was a beautiful day, full of people, full of love, full of bikes. So I have to say that it was a great day. I love the vibe that was there. Everybody was just all about love, fellowship, brotherhood, sisterhood, and the bikes. So, man, I really want to get out to more events this year. So, I really enjoyed myself. Met a lot of people. And they were all about the brotherhood and the sisterhood and the camaraderie of the biker community. A lot of people looking to make connections and contacts to stay in touch. Already planning like toy drives for Christmas, and it's just March. Also, Halloween, back to school events. It was just cool to see people wanting to be involved in and give back to their communities.
Thank you all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed.